We're now going to talk about interest. Interest is additional money paid or earned. One type of interest is simple interest. We also have compound interest. The formula for simple interest is I equals P times R times T. I represents the interest, P is the principal, R is the rate as a decimal, and T is time in years. For compound interest, the formula is A equals P parentheses 1 plus R to the power of T. A represents the total account balance, including the principal. P is principal, R is rate as decimal, and T is time in years. The problem says Kim deposits $300 into a savings account with a simple interest rate of 5% per year. She keeps the money in her account for 3 years. How much interest will she have at the end of 3 years? First, let's identify what we have. The first question is asking for interest. We don't have that, so we can write I. Then we're going to take a look at our principal. The money she deposits, that's what she starts with, 300. Rate, 5%. 5% as a decimal, 0.05. Time in years, 3. Now, the formula is I equals P times R times T. So if I plug those values in, I'm going to have 300 times the rate multiplied by the time. It's simpler to multiply the smaller digits first. So I have 5.05 times 3, which is going to be 5 times 3, which equals 15. 5 is what I use from 0.5, which has 2 decimal places, so that's 0.15. So now I'm going to multiply 0.15 times 300. When I multiply 300 times 0.15, I'm going to get an interest of $45. The next question says, how much money will she have in total in her account at the end of 3 years? The total equals the interest plus the principal. If the interest is $45 and the principal is $300, Kim will have $345 in her account at the end of 3 years. Example B talks about compound interest. Now, while you will not need to calculate compound interest beyond 1 year in 7th grade, you will need to know how to set it up for many years. Homer invested $1,000 at 10% compound interest for a year. Write an equation that can be used to solve for compound interest. So, A. That's what we're looking for. P, principal, what was invested. R, 10%, 0.10 or 0.10, and the rate will be 1. I need to be able to take these numbers and set them up into the formula. So A equals 1,000 parentheses 1, which is the 1 in the formula, plus 0.10 to the power of 1, which is my time. That is my final answer.